Okay. Hello. KaPinay. We are walking to go to the park. A walking exercise. So come join me and join us. We're gonna go walk in the park. Going to the park. Ooh, it's cold. Full gear. It's cold. It's snow. See? Huh?
No, this is called slush.
Yeah. Called slush. It's more like a talagang, it's like a shavy snow. Pang halo-halo talaga yan. Halo-halo is snow. Haha.
Don't eat it.
Huh?
Don't eat the slush.
Yeah. Today the snow is like a halo-halo, is a shaved ice. Looks like a shaved ice. It's cold, guys. Ooh, it's windy too. Chicago, the windy city. Saan yung aking ano? Yan. Yan. There you go. Cold. Got gloves. See the snow there. Over there. Snow everywhere.
Out here?
It's not even worse. I mean, you know,
You gonna tell them about the snowstorm tonight?
there would be a snowstorm tonight, so it would be dangerous to drive on Monday morning. No, probably not, because the road would be salted. Then Chicago is very good in clearing the streets. Whew, it's cold. How many degrees? Whose last you see? Look. No, this is my boots is waterproof. Yeah, it's waterproof.
The salt stains it.
One way or the other, it will be changed. Nothing is last forever. Go in there. Oh, they shoved the snow already. Shovel it. Yeah. Woo. The sun is not out, but if the sun is out, it's so glary. Make it so very, very bright. Good, the sun is not out. Where are ya? Couldn't see ya. Whew. Jan, if it's like this, it's hard to walk because it's so thick. It's like you're walking on a pilapil. Para ka na rin naglalakad ng sa tambak. Sa tambak ng bukid. Tambak ti taltalon, darigat ti magna, itambak ti taltalon. Woo! Alright, we're going in the park. Going in the park. Okay guys, KaPinay, we are here in the park now. Seal. It's all snow. That is 6 inches of snow or more. And we are expecting more tonight, until Sunday morning. Okay. See?
They're the pretty boots.
Oh yeah. With their boots.
We'll go between the fences. Go in. Hi.
Bakit? Wait like that.
A car went there and did donuts.
Oh. Oh, that is not me. What's that?
It's a crop circle. Crop circle. Okay, back this way. You're not running. Well, turn around, smile. Turn around and smile. Okay, back to the sidewalk. It's not a good snow for snowballs. It's too fluffy. Tonight, good for snowballs.
Oh no,
It turned off.
It's dry.
Okay, time for your beauty appointment. This way, huh? We're not going around the park. Short walk today.
Okay.
Short walk today.
Okay.
Only a mile.
That's a mile walk?
By the time we get home.
Oh, okay. It's cold, guys. The wind is even whistling. Like, I don't know if you could hear it in the camera, but it's whistling. Chicago is a windy city. Okay, labas na yung stipulation kasi malamig.
We could go over the highway bridge one day like we did by the railroad tracks for a video. That'd be nice.
Railroad track.
Yeah, where we walked over.
Oh, they're the what's that? Yeah, we do that too. Woo. Going back home now, guys, because I have appointment at 2 o'clock. Beauty appointment now. It's cold. Oh, I am so gaba already. Oh, see? How windy it is? See? You could hear it. The wind. There. Whew. Okay. Walk, walk, some more. Walk, walk, some more. Look at the ice from the gutter. It freezes. See, look at that. It's a nice. The gutter freezes. There you go. Those photos are nice when they are in the trees, on the trees. Driving on a snowstorm. Driving on a snowstorm is dangerous. We have a snowstorm today, tonight, and tomorrow. Driving on a snowstorm. Just starting. Snowstorm. See, look at the road. It's all icy. .30 miles per hour wind. 5 to 10 inches snow expected. Be safe.